Did you know that Reiki benefits the immune system? Let's see how this can happen. In parts 1 and 2, we explored how Reiki can support the immune system through stress reduction, energy balancing, detoxification, and overall healing. In this final part, we'll delve into additional ways Reiki can benefit the immune system and discuss its long-term health impacts.
Further benefits of Reiki for immune system support: harmonizing the nervous system.
Reiki is known to shift the body from a state of fight or flight sympathetic nervous system to rest and digest parasympathetic nervous system. This relaxation response is crucial for immune system health, as the body is better equipped to repair itself and fight off pathogens when it's not in a constant state of stress. By calming the nervous system, Reiki helps the body conserve energy for immune functions, which is especially important during illness or recovery.
Reducing autoimmune responses.
Autoimmune disorders occur, and the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells. Reiki, by promoting balance and reducing stress, may help calm the overactive immune responses seen in autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or multiple sclerosis. While it won't cure these diseases, Reiki's calming effects can help reduce the frequency and severity of autoimmune flare-ups, allowing the immune system to function more optimally.
Improving mental resilience.
Mental health has a direct connection to physical well-being, including immune function. Reiki sessions can enhance feelings of calmness and emotional clarity, which can reduce anxiety and depression. When mental health improves, the immune system benefits by being less compromised by the stress-related hormones that weaken immune defenses. This is particularly important in maintaining overall health and protecting against illness over time.
Energetic protection against environmental toxins.
Reiki practitioners often believe that Reiki energy creates a protective shield around the body's energetic field, which helps safeguard the body from external stressors like environmental toxins and pollutants. This energetic protection may help individuals become less sensitive to the harmful effects of these toxins, giving the immune system more strength to focus on fighting infections and maintaining health.
Reiki and chronic stress relief.
Chronic stress weakens the immune system over time, making the body more susceptible to infections and diseases. Long-term Reiki practice can help individuals build resilience against chronic stress, acting as a preventive measure for immune system depletion. Regular Reiki sessions may train the body to enter relaxation states more easily, reducing the cumulative effects of stress on immune health.
Promoting holistic healing and prevention.
Reiki's ability to promote a sense of well-being, balance, and peace can lead to improved self-care and health habits. When people feel more in tune with their bodies and emotions, they are more likely to adopt healthy lifestyle choices such as nutritious eating, regular exercise, and adequate rest that support the immune system over time. Thus, Reiki can play a role in preventing illness by encouraging a more holistic approach to health.
Spiritual connection and immune strength.
For those who embrace the spiritual aspects of Reiki, the practice is often associated with a greater sense of connection to oneself and the universe. This spiritual alignment can foster feelings of purpose and meaning, which have been linked to enhanced immune system function. Studies suggest that a strong sense of purpose can lead to better mental and physical health, potentially supporting long-term immune strength.
Long-term health impacts of Reiki on the immune system. Building resilience. Regular Reiki practice can build both physical and emotional resilience, making the body better equipped to fight off infections and diseases. This resilience extends to faster recovery times and reduced illness frequency. Cumulative healing effect. The benefits of Reiki accumulate over time. As individuals continue to practice Reiki or receive regular sessions, the effects of relaxation, emotional balance, and energy flow become more pronounced, potentially leading to long-lasting immune system benefits. Complementary therapy for chronic conditions. Reiki is increasingly used as a complementary therapy for individuals with chronic illnesses, including those with weakened immune systems. It's not a substitute for medical treatment, but it supports overall health by reducing stress, enhancing emotional well-being, and promoting healing.
Summary of key benefits for immune health Part 3. Harmonizing the nervous system, enabling the body to enter a healing state. Supporting autoimmune balance, reducing overactive immune responses. Improving mental resilience, lowering anxiety and depression, and enhancing immune function. Offering energetic protection, reducing sensitivity to environmental toxins. Reducing chronic stress, preventing immune depletion. fostering holistic healing and prevention, leading to healthier lifestyle choices. Spiritual connection, supporting overall well-being and immune strength. Conclusion: Reiki is a powerful tool for enhancing the immune system by promoting balance and reducing stress, multiple levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual. While Reiki is not a replacement for medical care, it can serve as a valuable complementary therapy, helping to strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms and support long-term wellness. Whether through regular sessions or self-practice, Reiki offers a gentle, non-invasive way to foster a healthy immune system and to improve overall quality of life. I hope this video was useful and that it solved many of your questions. If you had any questions, write in the comments and I will answer you, or send me a message at the contact details that are written in the video. Thank you very much for watching us. The epilogue is coming soon to close the part of the immune system.